morning, everyone, and happy Monday. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. And it's another amazing week. And it's the last Monday in the month of March. And you know what day is it today? Yes, it's Monday. What about the date? What's the date today? Let's see if you still remember how to say the dates. So, dates usually begin with month, day, and the year. What's the date today? So, what month is it? You're right, it's March. How about the day? It's 30th. And the year? What year is it? Is it 2019? No, it's 2020. So let me ask you the question again. What's the date today? You may say it like this. Today is March the 30th, 2020. Today is March 30th, 2020. That's right, guys. So from now on, I'll probably be asking you what's the date today so that for some of you who probably forgot how to say the date. And now let's move on to our lesson. Today we're going to have language arts and we're still going to talk about digraphs. And this time we have another digraph to talk about. But before that, let me ask you, what sound does CH make? Can you say it out loud? Ch, ch. Right. CH makes a sound ch just like in the word cheese. Ch, ease, cheese. What about SH? What sound does SH make? Sh, sh. Right, just like in the word shark. Shark, shark. Or show, show. Or shoes, ooze, shoes. Now, the next digraph we're gonna talk about is TH. So TH actually makes two different sounds. So that you will not get confused, we will talk about those two sounds today. Just like the word C makes two sounds, K and S. And just like letter G, it also makes two sounds, G and J. For TH, it's the same thing. We have soft TH and hard TH sound. And here it is. Let's talk about TH with two different sounds. The first sound of TH that we will talk about is th. Th. Can you say that? It's like you're biting your tongue. Bite your tongue, put your tongue out a little bit. Bite the tip of your tongue. Th. Th. Can you say that again? Th. Th. So put your tongue out a little bit and bite the tip of it. Th. 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 Right. That's one sound that TH make, and we call that soft TH sound or just the sound. It's the sound. So TH makes the sound th. Th. Bite your tongue a little bit, put it out, and bite it. Th. Right. Now let's move on to the next one. The next TH sound is hard TH sound. Now what does it sound like? Can you guess what the hard TH sound like? I'll give you 5 seconds to say it or to sound it out. The hard TH. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the hard TH is just like the. It's like you're saying the word the house, the tree, the. Just like in the word THE, it's the. So now those are the two TH sounds. Maybe it's a little confusing without examples. That's why we will have some examples. Before that, let's practice the two sounds that TH make. The th sound and the sound. Can you say it again? Th, the, th, 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 the, the, th, th, the, the. I will point at it and you tell me what sound it is, okay? Blue. What sound does the blue TH make? Th. You're right. How about the yellow TH make? What sound does it make? The hard TH. The. Good job. The and the. Now here are some practice words. Just like the number. What number is it? Can we say 3 or 3? 3 or 3? Which one is it? You're right. 3. 3. So that's soft TH sound. E. 3. Let's say that again. 3. 3. Number 3. Is that soft TH or hard TH? Soft TH sound. That's right. Now let's move on to the next example. What do you think is the boy doing? You're right. The ink. The ink. Think. Think. Is that soft TH or hard TH? It's soft TH. The ink. Think. Think. We don't say dink. Do we say think or think? Nope, we don't say think. We say think. So let's say those two examples of soft TH sound. 3. 3. Think. Think. You're good. Now let's move on to the next example. Get a picture. They're pointing at someone or something. The at. The at. So if it's something you're not holding and you're pointing at it, you can say the word the at. That. That. Can you say that again? The at. The at. That. That. Is it soft TH or hard TH? It's a soft one. Is it? No, it's the hard one. The at. That. Do you see the difference now? 3. That. The. The. Now let's move on to the next one. Aww. How do you call the female or the lady here? You're right. The. The. Mother. Can we say mother? No, we can't. It should be the sound. Mother. 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 Now let's read all those words with TH. The soft TH sound and the hard TH sound. The. 3. Think. That. Mother. So now you know that there are two sounds that TH make. The soft the sound and the hard the sound. And let's practice some more. Here I'm going to give you some words. I will read the word and you can read it too if you know the word. And you'll try to figure out, is it soft the or hard the? When you know the answer, just say the sound. Don't say TH. You don't have to say soft the or hard the. Just say the sound. You can say the, the, say it out loud, okay? And if you're confused, you can point on the screen. You can point on the blue one if your answer is soft th sound. You can point on the yellow one if your answer is hard the sound. Okay? I will read it 2 times. And you figure out if it's the or the. You have to say the sound so loud. Do you understand? Okay, let's get to this. First word, bathroom. Bathroom. Is it the or the? I think you're right. The answer is soft th sound. Th. Bath. Bathroom. Bathroom. This is the bath and this is the bathtub. We can say bath or bathtub. Good one, guys. Now let's move on to the next word. I will say the word and you try to figure out if it's the or the. Feather. Feather. Good, you guys are good. It's the sound. We don't say feather. Can we say feather? No way. We say feather. Feather. Now let's move on to the next one. It's hard the sound. This kid right here. So this is mother, father, sister, and brother. The word brother. Is it the or the? Brother. Good. It's the yellow one. It's the. We don't say brother. I have a brother. That sounds so weird. Oh my God. We say brother. I have a big brother. I have a little brother. I don't have a brother, but I have a sister. That's right. Now let's move on to the next one. That's the sound. The. How about next? Oh my God, this boy. What does this boy want to drink? It wants to drink he wants to drink water. Because he wants to drink water, how does he feel? How does he feel? He is it thirsty or thirsty? Thirsty or thirsty? Well, I'll tell you the word. I almost forgot. I have to read the word. You will figure out if it's the or the. The word is thirsty. 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 Is it the or the? I think you're right again. Thirsty. That's right. Soft the sound. Thirsty. Thirsty. Oh, guys. Why? Sometimes if you put it in the end, sometimes it makes long I sound or sometimes it makes long E sound. For this word, it makes long E sound. Thirsty. E. Thirsty. Thirsty. That soft the sound. Thirsty. How about this? Is it the or the? I will read a word, okay? Them. Them. So the girl is pointing at them. Them. The M. Them. I think I already said the answer. Sorry about that. The or the? You're right. It's the. The M. Them. It's them. Now let's move on to the next one. I think you all know this word right here. And the next word too. So what is it? I can hear you saying it out loud. That's good, guys. So it's the or the. I'll read a word for those who doesn't know. Earth, earth. It's not ear, but it's earth. It's like A doesn't exist. Earth. You're right, guys. It's soft fast sound. Earth, 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 earth. Wonderful. Now let's move on to the last word. What's this subject? Right. Math. 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 Can we say, so which sound is it? Is it the sound or the sound? You guys are great. It's the sound. Math. 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 We don't say math. No, oh, we don't say. Jane teaches math. No. Miss Jane teaches math. Our math teacher is Miss Jane. Now let's move on to more practice, okay? But we're gonna practice more using the video. Let's practice making sentences. I will show you some videos. They're making some silly, interesting sentences using the and the sound. What you're gonna do is watch the video and practice saying the sentences with them. Okay? Now, here is the video. So first we're gonna start with a soft the sound. And then you will listen, and when they say the sentence again. Because your task later will be about making sentences. Not just regular sentences, but fun, creative, a little silly sentences if you like, just like the one on the video. So, here it is. I hope you guys enjoy it.
All right, so that's like, well, those sentences are not as good as I believe you guys can make better sentences, right? So those are practice ones for you. Like a short story about soft, fast sound. What kind of party are they having? Yes, it was a birthday party with some practice stories and practice phrases and sentences. I believe you guys can do something better than that, right? You can make some simple stories with soft the or soft the. Sorry, soft the and the sound. You can mix them up. It doesn't have to be two different sentences or two different stories, but you can mix them. Now let's move on to the sound. Here it is, and I hope you guys enjoy. Let's make sure this is on very loud sound. Here you go. Oink. Oh my god.
Well, I think those are really silly sentences, and I believe you can make even better. So here's gonna be your task for today. Use the picture words to make some creative, fun sentences using soft the sound and hard the sound. Make at least 5 sentences. You may also add some drawings. So here are some example words: thief, think, thick, thing, thirsty, third, thorn, 3, thumb, thin, Thursday. And here's another one. Oh, doesn't go down. Bath, brother, depth, earth, feather, month, mother, froth, teeth, with, father, tooth. So what you're gonna do is think of all the words that has soft the sound and the sound and try to make at least 5 sentences. Not simple ones, okay? Something fun, just like the one on the video. You can even make it into a story. A simple story with drawings if you like. So I hope you guys enjoy making some silly fun sentences using the and the sound. You don't have to use only the one from these picture words, but all the words that you know or you find online on your research. I hope you guys have a great day and really, really hope to see you soon. Enjoy your Monday. Bye.